What's up, my pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys this content. This is the Horween Leather, vegetable tanned, genuine leather, sourced ethically from the folks at Nomad. This provides up to an 8-foot drop protection with a TPU bumper that the leather is glued into. It has these anodized tactile aluminum buttons that are super great and feeling to the touch, as well as iconic here, providing you a really awesome look when you're holding it in the hand. And lastly here, it's built in with Magsafe magnets so that you can wirelessly charge and use all of your compatible accessories. With that said, guys, this is not a sponsored video. I do have a relationship with Nomad. However, they did not send this to me, but I did pay with my own money. And so because of my relationship in the past with them, I do have an affiliate with them. So down below, if you're interested in this product or any of these other products we will go over, I will have affiliate links there that do help out the channel. With that said, let's go to unbox and show you how you can level up your lifestyle. Now, I reviewed the Horween Leather for the Pro Max, and I was very disappointed because it had this really weird film on it. It was dusty, it looked weird, but out of the box here, immediately when I open this up, I can smell the natural leather with the vegetable tanned oil. It is delectable, to say the least. I'm very impressed here with the way that they are showing this off. I'm just feeling bad that my 15 Pro Max didn't have this luxury of a presentation. With that said, coming up closer, you can see the grain that is just beautiful with this Horween leather that is ethically sourced. I can't stress that enough. You can see that it is glued all the way to the ridge line around the edge here. You can see it's glued up to the camera bump as well as around the edge here as well. You've got the anodized aluminum buttons here, which I think are very, very nice and tactile. You even have a button here for the action button, which I think is really nice. You got this really cool groove in the TPU, which is very ergonomic and grippy, which is nice. You have a very sturdy sole here on the backside, as well as a nice grip here to be able to provide you that insulation here and protection at 8 feet of drop protection. You can see that it's got a lined microfiber material here with a MagSafe built into it. It just looks classy and is very spongy. On the inside here, you can see that there's grooves to be able to catch against the phone and give you that optimal protection. You can see here the cutout for the IO, for that huge USB-C cutout. It's much bigger. I've done this and I noticed that that's so big. But what's awesome is that they kept the wrist strap here. So if you wanted to, you can go ahead and put a little tassel, little charm there, or a wrist strap for more grip, which I really like. With that said, placing it on the inside here, you can see that it is a little bit more thick than I'm used to around the edges here. That's going to give you probably a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch thicker, but it doesn't push up against my screen protector, which is nice. It has that bezel and it catches there, so it's going to be nice and protective. It does insulate the phone here to give you that maximum protection, and it just looks great. Protects the dynamic island, and it's very tactile and clicky here, although for some reason it's not clicking again. I don't know what it is about Nomad. This action button is like hit or miss. I don't like that. Power button's fine and clicky as well. Coming up close here, you can see it is high quality leather there in the hand. It looks so nice. I really like how it does protect as it protrudes above the camera array, so it's not gonna scratch on either side. With that said, it is MagSafe compatible, so I have this 3-in-1 charger that's kind of LED glowing here. You place it on the back and it can go ahead and charge there. You can put your AirPods as well as your rugged case for your Apple Watch, which is a different video you can check out. Or if you wanted to, you can create a cool little desk buddy if you wanted to. You're gonna just slap it on there here and it's gonna hold it up, and you have that ability to watch Netflix. You could also scroll your social medias and all that good stuff. A couple other things here. I do have a wireless charging bank for the folk at iWalk here. It's going to snap right on the top. It's not going to protrude or hit into it. Although if you are charging, this one is a little bit bigger, so it might impede on your camera. You press the button there and it charges as well. You've got this key ring here to hold it if you'd like. Lastly, I've got this content creation device here. This is from the folks at ShiftCam. This is their SnapGrip here. This is the creator kit. So if you wanted to have something that was like a tripod to hold up to take your shots, or if you wanted to shoot in selfie mode, you can. What's great here is you have a 5,000 milliamp battery that can charge here through wireless charging, as well as a shutter button, which is nice. You can go ahead and attach another device there if you want. I've got this cool light here that fits on there. Lastly, showing you here what the Horween leather is going to look like. This is a year of aged Horween leather. This is obviously for the 14 Pro Max. This is the folio here that was last year. It has darkened and it's got scuffs, it's got oil, and it just looks great. Here's the black leather as a comparison as well. This is the black leather for the modern leather, so you can see that has aged well. So I'm looking forward to this also aging over time. With that said, this is not a sponsored video, although I do have some affiliate links down below that do help out the channel and provide that. With that said, guys, if you're interested in this, I think it's a really awesome take on the leather experience, one of the best in class in my opinion. It is really high quality drop protection. You can use Magsafe. It's made out of really awesome, ethically sourced leather, and it's just reliable. With that said, guys, this is Andy with Tech Influence. If you like this content here, then definitely check down below to support the channel. Otherwise, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.